Hey guys, this is Jeff Hunter with WX Hosting and Hunter Business Management, and I wanted to show you guys a live working example of block level caching that isn't sort of based on the demo store, because really there's not a lot going on in an OpenCart baseline demo site. So here's one of our customers' websites. They're based out of the UK and they sell drumming equipment. And as you can see, they kind of have a fully fledged heavy duty theme going on here, and we've already optimized their site, and for live renders the system's still above 1 second, because there's a lot going on the page. They've got a heavy menu up here in the top. They've got banners and specials and latest and all kinds of stuff going on the page, as you can see, that just kind of leads to I guess a lot of work for OpenCart or PHP, however you want to call it, to do to live render a page. So one of the new features in both our WX hosting system and increased page speed is a block level caching system, where you can sort of take out components of pages and have those cached, so that instead of the system querying the database and rendering it and giving the HTML and so on and so forth, it just saves that block area of the HTML and then reserves it for future use. And what that does is you kind of are able to sort of pick and choose sort of those heavy bits that maybe stay very much the same, like specials, for example. Probably won't change that much day to day, as well as things like your footer, or maybe your nav menu if you're using a third-party module for it. So you can kind of alleviate a lot of the heavy lifting that exists, and still keep live rendering, or that when customers are getting live renders, that they're still very, very fast. Because here in the example above, the live render before was at like 1.15 seconds, and just by choosing four of the blocks to cache, we're down to 115 milliseconds, which is a huge difference, and equally cut the queries down by about, I think, 800. There's still something in the header that I probably want to look at that is eating 450 queries, and assuming we got rid of that, we'd be down in the 20-30 millisecond area, I would expect. So it is something I just wanted to show you guys, and the debug output that comes from the performance analyzer will show you, like, as you're caching, kind of those queries going away, and it's telling you that it is actually a cache render, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys, and show you how it worked.